Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I am unboxing the Revival Camp kit number 3, and I'm so excited to do that. I have been creating these really cute traveler's notebooks as I've been working through each of the Revival Camp kits the last 3 months, and so I'm excited to get the last one and finish out the collection and really dive deep into the Word. So let's go ahead and unbox this awesome kit. So just real quickly, these kits retail for $24.99. There will be a coupon available, and I will put that in the notes so that you have that coupon. We are having a very beautiful Revival Camp packaging here with beautiful pink tissue paper. And be careful not to rip that sticker, because I think if I'm careful I can reuse it. And we have kit 3 of 3. How fun! And we have a message from Shanna here. We have another sticker. How fun! We've got some trail mix. We've got some washi tape. Oh, and a lapel pen. How cute! Some stuff in here. And let's see. Oh yes, these are real cute. Challenge, praise, and leadership. We've got some cardstock stickers. We also have some of these really cool butterflies. We'll have to check those out. And then we have the stamp set, and then we have the devotionals. And the devotionals for this month are on Challenge, Challenge by Elaine, Leadership by April, and Praise by Tamara. That is so cool. I am just quickly checking to see. I do know that we have printouts, and I did print mine out this month, so you get a digital file as well with your kit, and so I have mine printed out on regular paper both sides. But what I am going to show you later is a video on how to get everything on one sheet, and this is a clear sheet of sticker paper, so I'll release a video on that later, and you can see how to kind of get the most out of your sticker sheet. So be sure to be on the lookout for that. I'm excited to dive deep into the really fun kit this month. We've got some cute plaid washi tape here, and let's go ahead and do that, and I'll be back with a review video. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. There's quite a bit of stuff here to play with, and I don't know if you might be interested in seeing the washi tape up close, but let me just do that real quickly before I end the video so that you can see that. A little sneak peek at what is in this kit. Oh, that's cute. Like, yeah, a little brown and pink. I love pink, so this is really, and this is so great for your camp. I mean, it literally looks like plaid that you would use in the camp. What a cute lapel pen. And then there's some trail mix too that I can open up and just show you what's inside as well. I like to open up the trail mix from the bottom so that I can keep the bag, because I like how it's sewed at the top. And then we have a cute little paper clip, and then we have, it says, "He who seeks beauty shall find it. Arise and shine." Isn't that great? So, alright, I'm going to dive deep into this kit, and we will post a review video, and then we will also post a video on how to get as many little digital elements on one piece of paper or one clear sheet of stickers as much as possible, so that you can save some money there. Alright, I will see you guys in a bit. Have a good day. Goodbye.